Good afternoon, yogis. You made it. I'm Sunflower here. We're going to do a little afternoon, just a little reset, reconnect, and redirect our focus today because typically it takes a lot of redirection sometimes when you're always looking outwardly for the answers. Take a deep breath with me today. Let's feel grounded right here, just focusing on us, a little inward right here, a little connect, little me time. Take a deep breath, lifting your spine and your arms all the way to the sky. And I want you to bring it down, bringing your feet hip width apart and bringing your torso down. And we're going to come into Malasana, a yogi squat right here. Just opening up our hips, really being with it, feeling grounded today, feeling more alive and at home in this temple that we call our bodies that get to carry us around in. Take a deep breath. And if you're up on your tiptoes, if you're feeling a little awkward, it's okay. Take another deep breath. Come on back up. Lengthen it, grow it. Open your arms up here, Prana Mudra, opening up our hearts to what the day has to offer, whatever that may lie. Take a deep breath. Bring your arms back upwards and bringing it down into that yogi squat, Malasana. Grounding, working on our root chakra today. Sense of knowing and being. Resetting our central nervous system right here in Malasana. Take another deep breath. Opening up our hip flexors. Releasing that old fluid in those joints. Take a deep breath and come all the way back up. Lengthening that spine. Now open it up to that Prana Mudra. Opening up your heart center to the sky. Take a deep breath. Feeling that expansion. Come on back up. And power of 3, bringing it on down. Anjali Mudra into Malasana, yogi squat. A lot of people eat in this position, sit in this position. You'll see they don't have furniture in their house. They give birth in this position. It helps the body obtain correct alignment over time. It may feel awkward at first. It may feel uncomfortable, but the more you feel embodied in this posture, the more you're helping realign your natural anatomy. Bring your arms all the way back up. Now open it up to a T here. Deep breath. Focusing on the exhalations today. Bringing it back up. Open it up to the left. Bringing it all the way back up. And like a waterfall, we're going to bring it down into a forward fold here. Interlace your arms. Rock your head from side to side. Breathe one big breath right here. Then I want you to meet me in a plank. And we're going to chaturanga. Push forward into a full plank. Come all the way down, as slow as you can. Once you're there, curl your feet in to your sacrum and push up to a cobra. Just expressing it, being with it. Curl your toes under and meet me in downward dog. Pedal it out. One big breath here. Take your right foot all the way to the sky and bring your right knee inward. Hover in the middle. Breathe. Kick it back. And down that center line. Let's come up into that crescent. Lunge and sink down into it. Breathing. Now we're going to sweep back, putting our torso over our thigh. And while we're doing this, I want you to take a deep breath And we're going to let go of anything that's no longer serving you, that's not part of your storyline. Let's sweep it back. Take another deep breath. Come on back up. Because where your focus goes, that's where your intention goes and your body goes. Take a deep breath. One more. Power of 3 all day. Bringing it back up. Open it up to warrior 2. Now, I want you to come up, straighten that right leg, come up one step with your left leg. Take your right arm, palms facing up, extend it outwardly, and dropping it down into that inside of your foot, outside, no weight bearing here. Take your left arm all the way to the sky. Breathe in. Knowing where our focus goes, our attention goes. And our attention should be on us. Take a deep breath. Bring your left hand down to your waist. Look out in front of you. Maybe 2 handprints. And just trust yourself right here to come up. Balancing. Dropping that left foot upward. Breathing. Keep a micro bend in that right knee. And if you'd like to expand this, come on out. Be where you are today. Focus in on you, and if you fall, laugh about it. Come back up and embody it. Noticing how you feel from one side to the next each time. And if you fall, it's only yoga. Come back, embracing it. Coming into that crescent lunge here, breathing. You have arrived. Bring your hands down to Anjali Mudra, your center heart. Setting up our day with more intention. Bring your arms all the way to the sky, and like a waterfall, take them to the mat. Just chaturanga. Take your right foot back to meet your left. Full plank, come all the way down, and push up. Baby cobra. Push back down. Curl your feet into your sacrum, and push up to a full cobra. One breath. Taking it back into downward dog. Pedal it out right here. You got this. You got this. Take your left leg all the way to the sky. Now bring it down that center line and hover. One breath. Take a deep breath. Take it back. Now bring it all the way back up. Bringing it up to that crescent lunge. Noticing how you're embodying it here. Finding that set point. Recommitting back to your breath. And trusting. Trusting that you're building within your body. All of that beautiful intelligence to reset your central nervous system. Let's sweep it back. Letting go of that stress. Let's sweep it back. Finding our truth. Recommitting back to our hearts and our breath. Let's go back up and breathe. Open it up to that warrior dance. Your dristis over that left middle finger, and you gaze, and you align. Straighten that left leg. Grab that right hip. Come in one step for me. Opening up your palm to the sky here, slinging it out, expanding your torso and dropping it down. Coming into triangle here, trusting yourself. Take that right hand to the sky. You've always got this. Your breath is your catalyst. Finding that space, that pause. Take your right hand down to your hip, look out, drop down, and express it upward. You got this. You got this. And if you want to grow it, coming on up into your warrior 3, grow it right here. Trust yourself. If you fall, it's only yoga. Take a deep breath. Noticing how one side feels different than the next. Noticing how you feel different from one side to the other. That's your Pingalis. Bring it on back into that crescent lunge. Your feminine energy and your masculine energy are always a little bit off. Sometimes when we find that equanimity, we can balance on both sides. Take a deep breath. Express that crescent lunge up. Now, like a waterfall, taking it down. It's our chaturanga. Strength builders here. Full plank. Bringing it down. And push back up into hero pose. Coming off your wrist. Breathing. Noticing. Being curious today. Reflection of us. Take a deep breath. Come back over onto your sit bones. Bring your left foot forward, your right foot inward. Turn your torso towards your left foot. Lengthen your spine and take it on down. And give yourself a yummy massage. Wherever you feel like touching on your body, your foot, your ankles, wherever your torso lands, reach out. Love your body. All these little moves every day, these twists from left to right. You're teaching your body how to have intelligence within. The physical intelligence that you're creating within yoga helps reset your central nervous system, come back up, reconnect your mind, your body, and your soul. Something we're truly disconnected from. Take your left hand down behind your back, reach your right hand to the sky, and push up. And breathe. Release. And let's go back to the other side. Keeping a micro bend in that right knee. Lengthen your spine here and dropping it down. And always giving yourself a yummy massage is me. Breathing. Come back up. Drop your right hand down. Lengthen it. Grow it. Express it. Come back down. Bring your feet in into easy pose here. And take a deep breath with me. Bring your hands to the mudra of wisdom. Take a deep breath. Noticing that when you get up, first thing in the morning, we're going to make a simple truth to ourselves. First one is, we're not going to hit that snooze button. We're not going to create fog in our brains. We're going to get on up, because that's what we intended to do. We're going to enjoy the best hour of our day, because that's the most creative hour you're going to have all day, so don't hijack yourself. The next thing, raise your arms to the sky. Now take your torso to the left, grabbing that left knee with your right hand, and your gaze will be over your left shoulder. The next thing is, before we touch that phone, before we brush our teeth, we're going to look in the mirror and we're going to say, you got this. No matter what your day has to offer, you got this, girl or boy. No matter what. We're going to lead into this knowing we've got this. You're going to feel a sense of a confidence come over you, something warm and fuzzy. Then, I need you to give 10 minutes to me. Roll your shoulders back. Lengthen your spine again, right here. Let's take it to the left side. And this is before you touch your phone. I need you to grab something of awareness. I need you to have some kind of movement that brings you a smile, whether it be walking to the mailbox, taking a ride on your bike, or doing a 10-minute yoga flow with Sunflower to reconnect you to you before you start your day. The next thing is, because what does movement do and what does yoga do? It sets us up for that meditation. Unwind out of this. Curl your shoulders back. Bring your knees into your chest and come on down to your mat. Got one more for you. Whew. That, my friends, is going to create the life we've always dreamed of. A life of confidence, a life of connectivity to us, of knowing and being. Drop your arms down to stadium arms here. Drop your knees all the way down over to the left. Put your left hand gently above that right knee. Take a deep breath. Because the most important relationship we're ever going to have in this world is the one we create with us. And the one we share with the world with confidence from our heart space. So I invite you to start these little simple promises to yourself. Just a few. No matter what those are. Bring your knees into your chest. Give yourself another big bear hug to reset. Take a deep breath. Dropping it down to the right side body. And put your right hand above that left knee. And just breathe. Feeling all that vitality. Feeling all that connectivity to ourselves. Feeling more at home in our space that we live in. That's enrichment. That's heartfelt. That's love. Bring your knees back into your chest. Love isn't love unless it's shared, right? Bring your knees into your chest. And for the most important pose of all yoga, take your feet as wide as your yoga mat, your palms facing up, and take a deep breath. Feeling your feet, touching the mat, feeling like a boulder going to the bottom of a pond, just settling in. Nowhere to be, nowhere to go, just simply inward. For the next 2 minutes, this is just for you. Letting all of that marry into your body, reflecting on it. Letting your emotional intelligence and your physical intelligence grow together. Knowing that the next time something comes up, it's not so problematic. It's just another breath. bring your hands to your forehead. My prayer for you today is consciousness of thought. And down to your heart space. To keep a compassionate heart. And right here, to speak your truth from love. Namaste, yogis. Thank you for allowing Sunflower to lead you today. And if you like our flow, like and subscribe and follow. That would be great. And share. Have a beautiful rest of your day. And if there's something you want to see, just let me know.